Hi, boys and girls. This is your last week using your textbook for math. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. Today we're going to continue to work on Unit 17, Numbers to 30. The supplies you're going to need for our assignment today is your math textbook and a pencil. And then I'm just going to do a little demonstration with pom-poms today to start off with and some bowls. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with looking at my little demonstration here. So we have used A cartons already before to help us organize some of our things, but I thought today we'd try some bowls. So I have two bowls here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to organize my pom-poms by 10. So every time I hit a 10, I count 10 pom-poms. I'm going to put them in the bowl. Okay, so do you want to count along with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this bowl is now full. Let's now put some in this blue bowl. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 pom-poms in this bowl, 10 pom-poms in this bowl. Now, let's see how many pom-poms I have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 10 in here, 10 in here, and 6 pom-poms left over. Boys and girls, can you tell me how many is that? So I have 10, 10, and 6. How many is that? What number is that? If you said 26, you are right. All right, let's do one more, okay? So I'm going to empty out all my pom-poms. Now, I added maybe some pom-poms. Maybe I'll take some pom-poms away. You won't know, okay? It's going to be magic. Okay. So here I have a pile of pom-poms. Now, we're going to see how many pom-poms Mrs. Peterson has all together. I'm going to organize it again by putting 10 in each of these bowls. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have to stop and fill up this bowl. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I've now filled up this bowl with 10. I wonder if this is 10, and I'll need another bowl. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, I didn't. Only made it to 8. So boys and girls, if I have 10 in this bowl and 10 in this bowl and 8 left over, how many do I have? 28. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna put my pom-poms away. Boop. Slide them over here. And I'm gonna open my textbook to page 104. 104. Stop the video if you need to catch up. Okay, let's get started. Let's begin by looking and talking about this page. So here we have 3 different ways that they decided to organize each of these things. At the top here, with the eggs, they organized them into little egg cartons. Now, we've been talking about groups of 10, so they grouped these into groups of 10 for you already. Let's look at the top and see how many eggs we have. Now, boys and girls, do we need to count all of these eggs? No, because we already know that they've grouped them into groups of 10. So, let's see how many groups of 10 we have. Count with me. 1, 2. We have 2 groups of 10. I'm just going to put a 2 right here. There we go. We have 2 groups of 10. How many 1s do we have left over? 4. So I'm going to put a 4 beside my 2. How many eggs do we have all together? 24. Good job. Now let's look at the carrots. So like I said, we already know that they grouped these into groups of 10 for us. So let's see how many 10s of carrots we have so far. Ready? 1, 2. 2 groups of 10. Let's put it over here. Put 2 here. Now let's see how many carrots we have left over after they group them into groups of 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So beside my 2, I'm going to put a 7. Boys and girls, how many carrots do we have all together? 27. Good job. Okay, now for this next one, we have some, I think these are mangoes. So here we see that we can't see the mangoes in these boxes, but right here we see the number 10. So we know that there is 10 mangoes in each of these boxes. So how many boxes of 10 do we have? Let's count. 1, 2. So I'm going to put a 2 right here above these other mangoes. Now let's count how many mangoes are left over, or how many 1s we have. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So beside my 2, I'm going to put a 3. How many mangoes do we have all together? 23. Excellent job, boys and girls. Move this over just a little bit. All right, let's get started on page 105. Now, Mrs. P is going to help you with the first 2, and then I'm going to get you to do the next 2 on your own, okay? So I'll do the first 2 with you, and then you're going to do these 2 on your own. So the instructions say, circle groups of 10, write the numbers. So we're going to count, and we have to group these into groups of 10. When we see a group of 10, we're going to circle it, okay? All right, now Mrs. P likes to use her ticking method when she counts here, just to make sure I don't forget to count 1, okay? So I'm going to start with the strawberries. Do you want to count along with me? So I'm going to tick them as I count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have a group of 10, so I am going to circle it. Can you circle that group of 10 too, boys and girls? Awesome. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another group of 10. Let's circle it. So far we have 2 groups of 10. Let's see if we have another group of 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, we do not have another group of 10. All right, let's fill out our chart. So how many groups of 10 did we end up having? 1, 2. 2 groups of 10. How many 1s did we have left over? How many strawberries were left over when we made our group of 10? 7. So we have 7 1s. Now what is that number if we combine it? 27. So I'm going to put 27 strawberries in this box. All right, I'm going to do these, I think these are peaches. So I'm going to do these peaches with you, and then you're going to do the lemons and the tomatoes all on your own. Okay, let's count these peaches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to stop. I have to circle my group of 10. Can you do that too, boys and girls? Circle the group of 10. Good job. Let's do the next one. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I'm going to circle that group of 10 too. Now let's see if we have any peaches to make 10 again. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, we didn't make it to 10. So how many groups of 10 did we have, boys and girls? 2. So we're going to put a 2 in this box. How many ones did we have left over? How many peaches were left over? Do you remember? 8. So I'm going to put 8 in the ones box. How many is that all together? How many peaches do we have all together? 28. Okay, now these two are going to be slightly trickier, so maybe it would be a good idea if you use my ticking method to make sure that you are counting all of the lemons and all the tomatoes. Remember, when you find a group of 10, you're going to circle it and put however many groups of 10 you have in this first box. Then however lemons or however many tomatoes you have left over after you make your groups of 10, you write that in the ones. And then however many that is together, you write in this box below. Go ahead and do these next 2 questions. Don't forget to pause the video, and when you're on down the page, you can unpause it and turn your page. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do these 2 pages today, and then we're going to be all done. So we need to do similar to what we just did on the other page. So we have to count and find groups of 10, and then we have to write the numbers. Now, here's the thing. I am going to do these top 2 with you, and then you are going to do the bottom 2 on your own, okay? So I'm going to help you with the top 2, and you're going to do the bottom 2 on your own. All right, let's begin by looking for groups of 10. Let's start up here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I found a group of 10. I'm going to circle it. Awesome. Okay, let's look at the next one. Let's see if this is a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It sure is. Let's circle it. Awesome job. Okay, now we need to count to see how many are left. This doesn't look like a group of 10, but let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. So boys and girls, if we have 2 groups of 10 and 6 left over, how many does that equal? 26. Make sure to put that number in the box. Okay, let's look at these ones. These look like kiwis or something. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now these are a little bit harder. Okay, so look, we have to circle it. But we have to circle it kind of weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Okay, so that's a weird circle, right? Yeah, good thing we ticked it to make sure that we counted them all. Okay, let's see if we can find another group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Well, this little group is a group of 10. Those are weird circles. So I have 1 group of 10 here, 1 group of 10 here. Let's see if I have any more groups of 10. Ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that! This is a group of 10 too. So boys and girls, how many groups of 10 do we have? 3. and no one's left over, which means we put a 0. There's 30 of these. I think they're kiwis, but whatever they are. Maybe olives, kiwis, something like that. Good job. Okay, now you're gonna do these bottom 2 on your own. Remember, you have to make sure you tick them so that you remember that you counted them. It's really gonna help you, okay? So count to 10. When you find a group of 10, stop, circle it, and then you can keep counting. Maybe there'll be another group of 30. I don't know. Okay, so go ahead and complete these 2 questions, pause your video, and when you're ready to begin the next page, unpause it. Okay, this is your last page you're gonna do today. And it says right in my instructions, it says, let the children do this by themselves. So I am not going to help you or tell you the answer. Do you think you can do it, boys and girls? Are you going to accept my challenge to do it all by yourself? I think you can do it. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to count the bees, the ants, and the flowers. And we're going to do exactly what we've been doing prior to this. So you're going to count and tick them, count to 10. When you hit 10, you're going to circle it and then see if you can find another group of 10 and then circle it, okay? If you have any left over, that will go in the ones, okay? So start with the bees, count groups of 10, circle it if you find a group of 10. Continue doing that until you have enough groups of 10 or you have no more groups of 10. So see how many groups of 10 you have and then how many ones and write the answers in the box. If you need help, feel free to ask somebody around you, but I think you can do it. Hope you have a wonderful day, boys and girls.